Hey everybody, I suppose everybody's wondering what we're going to do today. Well, we're at the kids' place here in Whitefish, Montana, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to epoxy this. There's Ty, his house. There's Brenda, she always likes to be on TV. And we're going to epoxy the floor in here in the garage. Brenda and I have epoxied back in Michigan 2 of our floors. So we told the kids we'd help them since we did this before. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how much money doing it yourself will save, DIY. So anyway, we got a few more things. They just moved in. How long ago did you move in? Like a week, 2 weeks? 2 weeks? 2 weeks ago. So they haven't cluttered the garage yet. So we just got a few things to get out of here and get this cleaned up. Then we're going to prep the floor and we'll show you what we're going to do then. All right, check back in a few minutes. So we're getting started prepping the floor. You probably can't hear me, but we're prepping the floor. We're using a sander, 100 grit sandpaper. Since it's new construction, we feel we don't have to diamond shot it. We didn't on ours. So we'll probably go over this 3 times. We just want to clean the floor off, then we'll sweep it and probably wash it. So we got Brenda working hard. We got our supervisor. So got everything out. It's somewhere around 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Friday. So hopefully around 8 o'clock tonight, we're going to be putting epoxy down. So. My phone is on the counter. Everybody, we did not get the floor done last night just because it didn't dry up enough. So it is Saturday morning and we're getting ready to go. We've kind of prepped everything, went over everything, how it's going to go. We got Brenda hiding like always. So we're just going to set the camera down and we're just going to go for this and see how it turns out. And if you enjoy the show, please give us a thumbs up and comments. Yep, go right in front of the door. Take a bead all the way across it. Hey, well, what we're doing is you just want to make sure that you get this epoxy down, and the biggest part is getting it leveled. What I didn't show was Brenda and Elizabeth. They went around the hole outside and they cut it in. You got to pour a thin line around the outside and use a brush and get it cut in. And then you can use this squeegee to level it out and pull it away from the edge like I'm doing.
lives still go on. How long has it been since you lost the one thing that made a life worth living, tore out your heartstrings?
It is a lot easier when you have 4 people. Brenda and I have done 2 of our houses, and it was just me and her, and it was a little tough with just 2 people. You could do it with 3, but 4 make it very nice. This squeegee has little grooves in the bottom of it, so it applies just the right amount of epoxy to the floor. And then once you pull it away and get it smoothed out, then that's why the roller is used. The roller is used to go back and forth, and then it will level out. Really, really easy product to use.
You've yet to discover, and though it's true, you won't be the same you. I promise you'll be stronger. Oh, 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 oh.
Elizabeth's really working it right now. She had to get in on this video.
What if your love had been enough? And what if you could just press rewind? What if your mind could travel in time? What might have been deserves attention, 'cause if left unmentioned would breed dissension. But too much what if, what now if I only knew what served the high truths that could have made you new. 'Cause letting go of the world you know is a two-edged sword. It cuts you to the core, leaves scars you can't ignore. But severing ties with
Here I am putting flakes down on the floor, blue flakes with the gray. You just use a spreader, and you just put it on as thick as you wish. And you can see the shoes we're using have spikes on them, so you can walk through the product.
You've yet to discover, and though it's true, you won't be the same you. I promise you'll be stronger. Oh, 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 oh.
What do you think, Doug? Right. Just be careful grabbing your cleats. Okay, Kevin. Kevin getting a little frustrated at the end here. The skilled maneuver we're going through right now is skilled. There aren't too many people that can do a maneuver like this. But when you're in 8th grade and you get an award from Jim Harbaugh and riding his Mercedes when you went to football camp, you can do these kind of moves. Not too many people can. Hey, good morning everybody. Just wanted to let you see the floor. This, I feel, turned out very, very nice. Look at the shine on that. We let it set for 24 hours. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to do what it says from Epoxy Master, is we're going to go ahead and scuff it, and just a light scuff with 120 grit paper, and then we're going to go ahead and apply the top coat. So this should take us, I would think, a half hour just to scuff it. We're going to wipe all the dust off from it and let it sit and have breakfast, and we're going to come out and we'll do the top coat. So just stick with us, having a good time here in Montana. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and just use a damp cloth and wipe the dust off from sanding it, and then we'll have breakfast, and then go ahead and have breakfast and then apply the top coat. Tyler says, yes, I'm hungry. Hey, dog, I'm tired of this work and stuff. We got some real estate. Some real estate? Only sissies do that. I can't say that. Nothing to wait that. Don't want somebody to get mad. Alright, so what we have is we got it all prepped, and we're getting ready to put the top coat on, which is the hardener or the finish. Are we ready, Ty? Ready. So we will get her done. And there was no time limit on this, right? It wasn't like it's going to get hard. It is. I feel like this one. Spinning. Yes, We are putting on the top coat, and Ty and Elizabeth decided to go with a satin on this, so it won't be that big shine, but that's what they didn't want. So we will, once it dries, we'll check it out and see how it looks, but you can see I think it's going to look great with this top coat on and give this garage a great finish.
We do now takes one.
Hey everybody, we are here with Ty. He's happy. We was able to finish the floor. You can hear it echoing a little bit, and Ty went with the satin finish because that's what you wanted, right?
A little less glossy, which we were thinking wouldn't reflect us so much light because we got those windows in the garage doors, so didn't want to shine in too much.
So you're happy with the way it looks? It's still a little tacky, so we can't walk on it, but it looks great when we was putting a satin finish on it.
Yeah, happy with it. We got a bid originally for $7,800 to do this. And then Kevin and Brenda have done it a couple times, and we bought all of our material from Epoxy Masters. I think we spent $1,700, a little under $1,700 from Epoxy Master. We rented a sander. We had some miscellaneous stuff that we bought. We all bought matching t-shirts. So it ended up being about $1,800 total. So we saved ourselves $6,000. We had fun over a weekend. Probably spent 3-4 hours working total between 4 of us over 3 days.
Yep, I would say.
And we're happy with it.
Good. So there you go, a little DIY, right? And we got the epoxy down, so anybody can do it. Hopefully this video helps other people out if they want to do an epoxy floor. So thanks for watching our channel, and we'll see you the next time.